Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will upload and sell an NFT that we created. Now we already have a video about how you can list the NFTs that you bought, but in this video I'll show you guys how you can upload NFTs that you drew, you created, and we're gonna sell it. Now for this, we're gonna need a MetaMask wallet, and we already have a how to set up your MetaMask wallet video. So make sure to check that video from the cards if you don't have a MetaMask wallet. And now let's start. So we've opened the Opensea's webpage, and as you see there's a little profile button right on top of our screen. We click on profile, and as you see it gives us 4 different wallet options to create or log into a Opensea account. So we're gonna use MetaMask right now, and let's click MetaMask. And after that we have to type in our password. As I said, if you haven't checked out how to set up your MetaMask wallet video, I suggest you to check that video out and then continue with this video. So we've typed our password, and you can see my profile. These are the NFTs that I've uploaded, I've sold. We can see different created, favorited, hidden activity, offers, and listings. Now let's click on created, and you can see the different NFTs that I've created and I've put on sale on Opensea. And now I'll show you guys how you can put your NFTs on sale on Opensea and make money off of it. So for this, we click on create on right top of our screen, and as you see there are required fields. We have to upload an image, a video, audio, or 3D model. We have to name it, put a description. If we want, we can add an external link. We have to choose its properties, levels, stats. We have to choose its blockchain, and we're going to be creating our NFT. So let's start with uploading our image. So there are 2 different options for you to do this. The first one is you can click on this and find the file where you've saved that file. But today I'll use a different way, and I believe this is a more efficient way. Now as you see, I've put the NFT that I want to sell on my desktop, and I'm just gonna hold it and drag it down here, and you can see my NFT. And this is way easier, and I suggest you to use this method because sometimes it gets mixed up with the other files on your desktop or computer if you just click on this and try to find the file. So I suggest you to use this method. Just put the NFT that you want to upload on desktop and just drag it to your Opensea page. Now let's name it. I will name it Shepherd G because, as you know, this is a German Shepherd dog. So it's it's an artistic name, so I will call it Shepherd G. So we've named our dog, our NFC. I'm not going to put any external links on this one, but if you have a website, a personal website or another project website, you can just copy that website's link and paste it on here. Let's put a description. Let's say I just added this description, created during a Coin Engineer video, but I suggest you to use more descriptive descriptions on here because this is important when you want to sell your NFTs. People read this, and maybe if you read an artistic, like poetic things, and it might help you to sell your NFT. This is just an example, so I wrote a basic thing, created during a Coin Engineer video. Now I'm not going to choose any properties, levels, stats, because this is just the one NFT, but as you see there are different options: explicit and sensitive content. If your item contains explicit and sensitive content, you should choose this, otherwise Opensea will block your NFT and you're not going to be able to sell your NFT. These options are for if you have a collection that contains 5,000 or 10,000 items, you can use options, but for this one I'm just going to upload one NFT, so we don't have to use these. And now I will choose my blockchain. So we already have a video. As I said in that video, we've used Ethereum network for transactions, and for this one, for a change, I will use Polygon, and I will show you guys how we can make transactions with Polygon. As you see, so we've uploaded our NFT, we've named it, we put a description, we chose Polygon blockchain, and let's just click on create. And we have to verify that we're not a robot. And as you can see, we've created our Shepherd G, and it says you just created Shepherd G. We can share it on different social media, and after we create our NFT, we can see its name, we can see its description, we can like our NFT and put it on our favorite list. And now let's sell our NFT. So we've created our NFT, and now after we create our NFT, you can see it says sell right here in this blue button, and let's click on this. Now we have to decide on a price. So for this one, I will choose 0.5 Ethereum, and as you see, it's equal to $1,475. Now, this duration part is important because if you choose to put your NFT on sale for a duration of 7 days, this means that you trust your NFT, your project, your collection, and you're sure that it's going to be sold in 7 days. So that's a good sign. But that's also if that NFT doesn't sell, it might not sell in these 7 days. So you might want to do 6 months to increase your chance for this NFT to be sold. So for this video, I will choose 6 months because even if you don't watch this video in the next 7 days, you're going to be able to see it in the next 6 months. And maybe there will be different offers, maybe there will be different, changes. So you're going to be able to check these NFT, and I will put this NFT's link in the description box below. So the fees part is, as you see, the listing is free, but once sold, the following fees will be deducted. So for example, let's say this NFT is sold, 2.5% fee will be deducted from this price. So I just made the calculations, and as you can see, this will be the amount of money that will be sent to my wallet after the fees has been deducted. So after completing the steps, let's click on complete listing. We should click on unlock and sign this, because it asks us to sign this for the transaction. And after signing it, as you see, transaction successful. It's verified. Now let's sign the message. Now we're signing the message, and as you see, we've listed our Shepherd G. Now it's on sale. If I click on this, as you can see, the current price, it shows me when this sale is gonna end, September 19, 2022 at 11:18 a.m. and it has one favorite. It's by me, owned by you. It says owned by you, but if someone else buys it, for example, X person buys it, it's gonna say owned by X person. And we can see the collection that it belongs to because of the fact that I created this and I put it on sale. It says Night Lord collection, but I could have chosen another collection or different name. Could have said, dogs collection and all that. So this pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. And as I said, don't forget to check out our how to set up your MetaMask wallet and other Opensea NFT videos to learn how to properly use Opensea and MetaMask and different projects. And with that said, see you guys in our next videos.